Imagine gliding through calm seas under a beautiful azure sky, with endless horizons and the promise of exotic destinations awaiting your arrival. Welcome aboard as we explore some of the world's best cruise destinations. Each offers a unique journey into diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable experiences. Let us embark on our first stop, the Mediterranean, a region punctuated by its extraordinary historical tapestry and stunning coastlines. From the picturesque villages of Santorini in Greece, with its dazzling white architecture contrasting against the deep blue Aegean Sea, to the vibrant, bustling city of Barcelona in Spain, where modernist architecture meets ancient history, the Mediterranean offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Cruisers can delve into the ruins of Rome's Colosseum, wander through the sun-drenched vineyards of Provence, or soak in the artistic aura of Florence. Each port unveils its own story and allure, making it a timeless choice for travelers. As we sail into the Caribbean, prepare to be enchanted by its idyllic beaches and crystal-clear waters. This vibrant region is renowned for its laid-back, tropical vibe. Picture yourself relaxing on the pristine sands of 7 Mile Beach in Grand Cayman, or snorkeling through the vibrant coral reefs of Cozumel. Each island boasts its own unique charm, whether it's the rich reggae culture in Jamaica or the French Caribbean fusion in Martinique. The Caribbean's warm climate and welcoming locales create a haven of peace and joy, making it a perennial favorite for cruise enthusiasts. Next, we journey to Alaska, where nature takes the spotlight in this majestic frontier. Known for its awe-inspiring landscapes, Alaska offers unparalleled opportunities to witness breathtaking glaciers up close. Cruise past the towering ice walls of Glacier Bay, or take a shore excursion to explore the untamed wilderness of Denali National Park. Watch in awe as a pod of whales breaches alongside your ship, or marvel at the sight of soaring eagles. Alaska's raw beauty and rugged terrain provide an adventure like no other, catering to those seeking both serenity and the thrill of discovery. Our voyage continues to Southeast Asia, a mesmerizing blend of ancient and modern worlds. The region's rich tapestry of cultures and cuisines invites cruisers to experience the bustling streets of Bangkok, the tranquil beauty of Halong Bay, and the mystique of Bali's temples. Each destination offers a unique cultural immersion, from the spicy street food markets of Singapore to the lush landscapes of Vietnam's terraced rice fields. Southeast Asia's enduring charm lies in its ability to seamlessly blend tradition with contemporary life, offering a voyage full of contrasts and fascinations. Finally, we arrive in the South Pacific, where idyllic, secluded islands dot the vast ocean. This region is a paradise for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Discover the stunning beaches of Bora Bora, known for their turquoise lagoons and coral reefs teeming with marine life. Experience the vibrant culture of Fiji, or unwind on the palm-fringed shores of Tahiti. The South Pacific's remote allure and captivating landscapes make it an unparalleled destination for dreamers and adventurers alike. As we bring our exploration to a close, it is clear that each cruise destination offers its own unparalleled experiences and lasting memories. Whether you're seeking history, adventure, culture, or pure relaxation, the world of cruising opens a gateway to explore the planet's most extraordinary places. We hope this glimpse into the realm of cruising inspires your next voyage. Until then, happy sailing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.